Would you be surprised to learn that 70% of all currency transactions in the forex market are processed by just 10 banks? Because they control such a massive portion of the daily market volume, these mega banks must have buying pressure when they want to sell and selling pressure if they want to buy. Simply put, they cannot buy a desired position if there is no one willing to sell, and they cannot sell a certain position if there is no one willing to buy. Because of this, these mega banks will very often manipulate the market to look like prices are headed higher or lower, only to quickly reverse the price and stop most retail traders out. This is why so many traders say things like, "It seems like the market turns against me as soon as I enter," or "It feels like someone is watching my trades and turning the market the second I enter." It is not a coincidence that so many traders have felt this way. In fact, you should actually expect it. What do I mean by that? Well, virtually all trading strategies that you have used function the same, regardless of the strategy, indicators, or trading software you are using, as they all look to buy as the market rises, and they look to sell as the market falls. Now remember back to what we said at the beginning. Because these mega banks move so much volume, they'll often buy into a falling market, as well as sell into a rising one. Can you see the problem? Almost without exception, retail trading strategies do the exact opposite of the banks that actually control the direction of the market. Once you understand this, is it any wonder that it feels like you consistently enter the market at the wrong time? Here's the bottom line. 10 banks control 70% of the daily volumes. Being profitable requires that you are trading in the direction they choose. If you are buying while they are selling, you will lose. And if you are selling when they are buying, you will also lose. How then can we ever expect to compete against such powerful forces? Simply put, you must learn to track institutional trading activity in the market, and thus you can trade along with the moves they create. And that's the only way to win in this game. So then, how do you track the institutional footprints they leave, and more importantly, start profiting from it today? 2 words: volume profile. While the banks have the advantage of size, this is also an advantage for us. Because of their size, hiding where they are actually entering the market isn't possible. Volume profile effectively pulls back the curtain and shows you where the pros are likely to be buying and selling from. And that's why I firmly believe volume profile is the ultimate key to profitable trading. These levels of institutional activity that we track with volume profile will allow you to pick reversal points in the market with amazing accuracy, as you are no longer fighting the banks. If you want to trade like a pro, you need to be buying when they are buying and selling when they are selling, which is something only volume profile can show you consistently. What then is the best way to start putting this powerful indicator to work for you in your own trading? I think most people would agree that learning from someone in hands-on format is the best way to learn. There's a reason they don't teach surgeons to operate with just book knowledge. They also require a hands-on residency program. Book knowledge is great, but nothing replaces seeing someone do what you want to learn. And this is exactly how my education course and training is designed. In the members area, I publish the strongest intraday institutional support and resistance levels, which I created using the volume profile tool. Not only that, but I also shoot a video showing you exactly how I used the volume profile to plot those points. This way, you are not only getting the levels I place each day for the members, but more importantly, you'll be learning to do it for yourself. As an addition to those intraday trading levels, I also provide you with swing trading levels. For those who are learning to trade with a full-time job, swing trading is likely going to be the best option. These longer-term trades play out much more slowly, they consume very little time, and they allow you to trade with set and forget limit orders, so no more watching the screen all day. Those swing levels also come with a video where I detail the exact reasoning and volume profile setups I used to create them. As you can see, you're effectively looking over my shoulder and trading with me each day. In my opinion, there isn't a faster way to learn to trade profitably. As an addition to all this, you will also receive an access to my download section, which contains an expert advisor that can automatically execute and manage your trades. This is a great tool for those with limited time that want to trade intraday levels as well. Members also have access to the community forum. Trading is a lonely business, and being part of a community of like-minded traders is a huge advantage to the learning process. It allows you the ability to ask questions, discuss trades, or get help if you run into some technical issues. Lifetime access also provides you with unlimited email support, so whatever you need, just shoot me an email and I'll do my best to help. So, if you want to track the institutions and trade with them instead of against them, if you want to be consistently picking the strongest support and resistance levels, if you want to be confident and have a certified professional trader to help you with your trading every day, then you want to enroll in our Pro Forex trading course. And if you still don't believe that my service and trading with a volume profile will help you, then perhaps you will believe the Forex Peace Army, which is an unbiased web page which ranks such services since 2005. Based on the users' reviews, my service has the maximum possible 5-star rating. So I hope you'll join us soon, and I will look forward to having you in the course. Until then, happy trading!